This is a demo of the Kodak Carousel 4200 projector. We have here the instruction manual, a slide tray box, the original box for the projector, and a remote. We have the remote. We will demonstrate now the pictures that are being taken. So the lights will be turned off. And the first slide projected on the wall. The second slide projected on the wall. We'll continue to go forward, and we ran out of slides. We go in reverse, and the slides project on the wall. And that was a successful test of the Kodak Carousel 4200.